Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's adventure, I am going to Miami and I am taking the Brightline. Let's do it. I am so excited. I love to travel by train. It is one of my favorite things, and I cannot believe that there is finally a train from Orlando to Miami. I am so excited to try this. Really, it's just the experience of it that I'm going for. I'm literally going to have dinner at Joe's Stone Crab. I'm going for one night, have a dinner, and come back tomorrow. So, let's do it. And I have arrived at the Brightline train station. Okay, so it's attached to the airport, but it's not the airport. Obviously, you can get here from the airport with a tram, but you can, if you're driving or getting dropped off, park right here, get dropped off right there, and here is the train station. It is chill, it is relaxed, it is brand spanking new and absolutely gorgeous. So far, so good. Fingers crossed, this couldn't be any easier or lovelier. I thought we were going to have to park at the airport, but it looks like surface parking right here. I'm guessing. That's amazing. So this is already a lovely experience because you really don't have to be involved at all in any of the airport traffic, the parking at the airport, all of that stuff. You are completely removed. We went to a totally different part. So when you're going to MCO, just follow the signs for Brightline. Okay, so that couldn't have been any easier or more seamless. It's so lovely that it's brand new. It's just very chill. It's just a totally different feeling than getting on an airplane. look at this beautiful lounge. You've got free wine and soda and beer and little snacks and things like that. So yeah, we're just relaxing here. Our train boards in about 20 minutes. So.
For your convenience, guests traveling coaches 2, 3, 4, and 5 can now order food and beverage directly to their seatways scanning the QR code located at the seat backs. Our team will deliver your order so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
So, one thing about the parking situation, there is a surface parking that is literally right in front of the train terminal. That is lovely, but you must have Sun Pass, Easy Pass, Sun Pass. That's like the Florida toll road thing, so you've got to have that ready to go. Otherwise, you go into a structure, which is not far at all. That was super easy as well. So we are literally, I am going to Miami for one night, and I am literally going to Miami to have stone crab claws at Joe's. Can't wait. This is so fun. I feel like I'm in Europe. I really do. This is so comfortable. It's so clean. It's absolutely beautiful. There's a million plugs everywhere. And yes, so let's luxuriate. So we decided to do premium Pass or Sun Pass if you have that. But the structure parking is literally right there on level 5. It just couldn't be easier. So overall, you do not touch the airport parking at all. Do not have to take a tram. Do not have to do any of that stuff. So even though it is connected to the airport, it is not part of it, and you can just stay. Creeper on a train. Miami, where am I? Marriott Stanton South Beach. What a view. So pretty. Welcome to Miami. Look at the cruise ship. Okay, so we are staying just a very simple, it's called the Marriott Stanton South Beach. So we are on South Beach. I'm literally just here for the night. We are going out to dinner at one of my favorite places. This is lovely, you know? I mean, it's a very lovely hotel right on. It's definitely seen some wear and tear. This hotel. They were very sweet though. The service is lovely. They give you all kinds of free things. You get a beach chair out here at the beautiful beach. You get a boogie board if you want it. You got the nice pool down here. I mean, what a view. So we are just watching the cruise ships just out. Oh, it's giving me cruise fever though. Giving me major cruise fever. Yeah, so let's go South Beach. Look at this, so gorgeous. The water is so calm this morning. So basically, this is the Marriott Stanton. So we are literally right, I would say maybe a fifth of a mile, couple thousand feet away from the inlet where the cruise ships go out. So it was really cool. Yesterday we saw a couple cruise ships go out here, and yeah, the water is so calm and cool. It's warm and absolutely gorgeous. The music is going, the pool is on. But guess what? I am headed back to Orlando this morning. I came, I conquered my stone crabs, and now I'm out. So that was such a fun night. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely something I would do again. That 3-hour trip, it was so fun, so relaxing. You feel so taken care of. You know, you have your drinks and your food and, you know, your little chips and whatever you need. But it's just so, like, relaxing. I love train travel, always have. But that train is very special. It is beautiful, of course. It's brand new. Can't say enough about how much I loved that experience. And it's just so wonderful to afford anybody the opportunity to come to Miami. This is such a great city. There's so many amazing restaurants here. So, yes, I wouldn't choose this Marriott again, but I would try something new. But I love Miami. But now, time to head home, back to Orlando. And just like that, I am leaving Miami. That was so much fun. This is a phenomenal way to explore a new world, honestly, a new city. 3.5 hour ride. It's so comfortable. It's so lovely. I have to say, I haven't tried the smart version level of the train, but kind of been spoiled now with Premier. It's really quite wonderful. It's so comfortable. I just love it. It's so clean. It's beautiful. The terminals are absolutely gorgeous, but it's really about the ease of it. Like the fact that you can park right there, go right in. It's just like 10 times easier than flying, of course, as we all know. Wish there was a train to the Caribbean and the islands, hopefully someday. But this was so much fun. I loved it. I will absolutely be doing this again. Now, this train actually does stop at Fort Lauderdale, West Palm Beach, Boca Raton, and Aventura. So there's all those other places to explore as well, which is so lovely. I saw these two women at the terminal, and they were just going from Miami to West Palm Beach to have lunch and go shopping and then go back. I think that's the coolest thing ever. Now, would I absolutely go to Miami just to have dinner? Yes, as I just did. So I absolutely love this. I